Welcome to Star Professional College. This is Side by Side Book 1, Chapter 2.
One, pen. 2, pencil. 3, book. 4, desk. 5, computer. 6, bank. 7, supermarket. 8, post office. 9, restaurant. 10, library. 11, living room. 12, dining room. 13, kitchen. 14, bedroom. 15, bathroom. 'In the classroom'. Listen and repeat. 1, pen. 2, book. 3, pencil. 4, notebook. 5, bookshelf. 6, globe. 7, map. 8, board. 9, wall. 10, clock. 11, bulletin board. 12, computer. 13, table. 14, chair. 15, ruler. 16, desk. 17, dictionary. Where is it? Listen to the first model.
Where's the book?
It's on the desk. Listen to the second model. Where's the map?
It's on the wall.
Listen to the third model.
Where's the computer?
It's on the table. Do exercises 1 through 9. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1,
Where's the pen?
It's on the desk.
2,
Where's the board?
It's on the wall.
3,
Where's the globe?
It's on the table.
4,
Where's the ruler?
It's on the chair.
5.
Where's the pencil? It's on the desk.
6.
Where's the clock?
It's on the wall.
7.
Where's the notebook?
It's on the table.
8.
Where's the dictionary?
It's on the bookshelf.
9.
Where's the bulletin board?
It's on the wall.
Where are you? Listen to the first model.
Where are you? I'm in the kitchen.
Listen to the second model.
Where are you?
We're in the living room.
Listen to the third model.
Where are Mr. and Mrs. Jones?
They're in the yard.
Do exercises 1 through 9. You will hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
Where are you?
I'm in the bedroom.
2.
Where are you?
We're in the kitchen.
3.
Where are Jim and Pam?
They're in the living room.
4.
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom.
5.
Where are Mr. and Mrs. Park?
They're in the dining room.
6.
Where are you? We're in the yard.
7.
Where are you?
I'm in the garage.
8.
Where are you and Ben?
We're in the basement.
9.
Where are Mr. and Mrs. Hernandez?
They're in the attic.
What's the word? Listen and choose the correct answer. 1.
Mr. and Mrs. Lee are in the park.
2.
Jim is in the hospital.
3.
She's in the living room.
4.
He's in the kitchen.
5.
They're in the basement.
6.
We're in the yard.
Page 15. Listening. Where are they? Listen and choose the correct place. 1.
Where's David?
He's in the living room.
2.
Where's Patty?
She's in the bedroom.
Three.
Where are Mr. and Mrs. Kim?
They're in the yard.
Four.
Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom. Five.
Where's the telephone book?
It's in the kitchen.
Six.
Where are you and John? We're in the basement.
All the students in my English class are absent today. Listen.
All the students in my English class are absent today. George is absent. He's in the hospital. Maria is absent. She's at the dentist. Mr. and Mrs. Sato are absent. They're at the Social Security office. Even our English teacher is absent. He's home in bed. What a shame! Everybody in my English class is absent today. Everybody except me.
Where's Bob? He's in the living room.
Where's Mary? She's in the bedroom.
Where's the car?
It's in the garage.
What's your favorite room at home?
The living room.
The dining room.
The kitchen.
My favorite room? My bedroom.
The basement.
The basement?
Yes, the basement.
Hello?
Hi, Billy. This is Mom.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Is everything okay at home?
Yes, everything's fine.
Where's Dad?
He's in the basement.
And Susie?
She's in the living room.
How about Grandma and Grandpa?
They're in the yard.
And where are you?
I'm in the kitchen.
So everybody's fine?
Yes, Mom, we're all fine.
That's good. I'll see you soon, Billy.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Where's Albert?
He's in the restaurant.
Where's Carmen?
She's in the bank.
Where are Walter and Mary?
They're in the supermarket.
Where's the monkey?
It's in the zoo.
Where are you?
I'm in the library.
Where are you?
We're in the park.
Where am I?
You're in the hospital.
The hospital?
Yes, you're in the hospital and you're okay.
I'm okay. I'm in the hospital and I'm okay.
All the students in my English class are absent today. George is absent. He's in the hospital. Maria is absent. She's at the dentist. Mr. and Mrs. Sato are absent. They're at the Social Security office. Even our English teacher is absent. He's home in bed. What a shame. Everybody in my English class is absent today. Everybody except me.